Hello guys, we will be looking at this setup for XAUUSD, and of course we're going to see how profitable this is going to give us today, and of course we're going to see how you can use this setup to trade XAUUSD right from here. Okay, this is a unique setup that you can use to trade any of these assets, and of course you're going to love every bit of today's trading. So just stay tuned and watch the video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it. Okay, you can practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, we will be checking out XAUUSD, and of course we're going to be checking out this particular setup. This setup actually started from this resistance zone. We can see it right from here. It started from here. It has got into a resistance zone already. Okay, I'm going to tell you the name of the setup. It is a custom made indicator and it is called the smart trading tool. Okay, so right from here, it started right from here, and of course this should be giving us a sell order around here because it has got into a resistance zone already. And of course we've been giving, you can see the red dotted line, it shows that the market is on downtrend at that particular point, and right here it gave us a sell signal from this diamond shape image. Okay, it gave us a sell signal, so which means we should be selling right from here. Okay, so we are supposed to be selling right from here. Okay, so let me just put a sell order here. Okay, sorry. So okay, we are supposed to be selling right from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it kept on going down and down from this sell order. You can see it going down and down till it got to this region. Okay, now let's see more. There is more to that. Okay, at this point it got to the support zone. Here is a major support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so I expect everyone to close their trade around there, or you lock up 80% of your capital, I mean of your profit around here. But eventually we actually expect it, naturally we should expect it to go back into a buy trend right from here if it's unable to break out from here. But if you should notice, around there it played around there for a very long time, and later on broke out below it by giving us a sell order around here. So it broke out below this support zone, this particular support zone. You can see this green dotted line shows that the market is to go back on uptrend, and if it is on a straight line like this, then definitely it shows a support zone. So that's a major support zone. So but it broke out below it around there after giving us a sell signal and a downtrend signal around there. So it broke out below this. So even if you are to continue with the sell, then definitely it should be below this. That is when you're going to place your order, and you can see the movement. It has got into another support zone. If it's unable to break out below this, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, you can imagine this is a unique setup, and this will have saved you a lot of effort, and it will also have saved you a lot of money right here. You can imagine you starting from here, guys, starting from here. Okay, the order started from here. Okay, you can see it around here, and of course be in profit all through. And you adding the method of managing your trading activities, which we have been using on the Telegram channel, will also help you to make more profit, because if you are placing your order around here, we expect you to put your stop loss somewhere here at this particular resistance zone. You put your stop loss somewhere here in case the market pulled back and try to break out above the resistance zone, then it will lock up, I mean it will lock you out of the market, because I mean, the market is going to hit the stop loss and you won't be able to lose more. Okay, so that is the beautiful part about it. And of course, immediately this goes in your favor, just the way it did, and probably gave you some profit, got to this region, then this stop loss is useless where it is. You need to reposition it in order for you to make it useful. How do you reposition it? You don't need to lock up your capital, I mean to lock up your capital again. You don't need to protect your capital again. What you need to do is to claim some part of your profit, to protect some part of your profit. So you drag down your stop loss to about 30% region, that is locking up 30% of your profit. Okay, so that is it. So which means if this should go back, if the market should go back and go this way, immediately it gets to your stop loss, it will take you out of the market, and the profit between year to year will go back to your balance, which is 30% of the profit which you have made earlier. Okay, but it didn't go that way, it went down. You can see it got to this region. At this region, I expect you to claim more profit, about 50 to 60% of the profit. Personally, I will ask you to claim 60% of the profit in order for you to have more profit to yourself, and only risk 40% of the profit in order for you to make more profit. Okay, this also came down till it got to this stage. Okay, at this stage you should be able to claim about 70 to 80% of the profit. In my own situation, I will advise you to claim 80% of the profit, because it is all about making money. Okay, so this came down till it got to this support zone. At this stage, still claim 80%. Just keep on maintaining 80% of the profit, because it has gotten to a major support zone. Okay, so if it pulls back and it hits your stop loss, good. If it does not, then definitely, if it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely you get to make more profit right from there. But right here you can see it got to the stop loss, and of course you will be taking out of the market with about 80% of the total profit made in at the initial stage. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So first of all, having a good setup like this can help you analyze the market easily. It won't trade for you, you will still be the one to place your trade, but you will be able to analyze the market easily, and of course you will be able to identify the trend just the way I have identified the trend right here. You having a red dotted line like this at the top like this shows that the market is on downtrend, and if it is coming from a resistance zone, then you are good to go. Okay, and if it is a green dotted line like this, it shows that the market is on uptrend, and if it is coming from a major support zone, then you are also good to go. But at the same time, you must also protect your capital at the beginning, because anything can happen within the market. It is not about your analysis, it is not going to be about the trading tools you are using. You are not the only one in the market, so anything can happen within the market. If it goes the other way around, then definitely your stop loss will take you out of the market. That is the beautiful part of it. I will be stopping right here. You can also join me for more information or for more trading opportunity on the Telegram channel. And if you want to know more about these trading tools, kindly send message to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy of Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.